It has arrived, the last week of the school year in Frederick County Public Schools. And we kick things off by highlighting our visual and performing arts students, as both elementary and secondary recently held their virtual ensembles showcasing our amazing student artists. It's truly wonderful to see our students' hard work and dedication on display. Next, we'd like to remind the FCPS community about our summer meals program. Starting June 30th, the Food and Nutrition Services Department will be distributing to-go breakfasts and lunches at 11 different schools every Wednesday. Make sure to visit fcps.org for details on times and locations. And we end this week and this school year by celebrating the entire FCPS community. Families, students, staff, and everyone in between. The 2020-21 school year was unique in many ways, but it was your commitment that allowed us to persevere, and we thank you. For more information on any of these topics, check us out on social media or fcps.org. Have a great summer.